What up people, I hope you all are doing absolutely amazing on this beautiful day. Welcome and thank you for tuning in. It is absolutely incredible to read all the comments, all the DMs, all the messages from you guys not asking about how I do my beard. So I thought, you know what? It would only be appropriate if I took you through step by step and showed you all how I sculpt this majestic beard. So you ready for it? Let's jump into it. Alright, so grooming your beard is a learning process, right? It's something that is not easy, especially if you're new to the beard game. And it can come with many questions such as how do I trim the beard? What length should my beard be? What tools do I use for trimming my beard? What about the neck and the cheek line? So I'm gonna cover everything step by step in this video. But listen, there is not one correct answer. You have to try different styles and looks throughout the establishment of your beard to find the perfect one for you. I gotta tell you, I have rocked, or at least tried to rock, many different styles and length of beards throughout my time. I've kept changing it up, and every time I did, I would feel like I finally found the perfect one for me. But it was never really right until not so long ago, and I'm gonna show you how it's done. So I attack this process with 3 steps. Step 1 is the actual trimming of the beard. Step 2 is cleaning up the neck. Step 3 is handling the neck, cheek and mustache line. Alright, so first of all, find yourself a trimmer. A trimmer that allows you to adjust the length of the actual cut. I use this one from Brio. It is an absolute beast. I love this one. It's probably the best bang for your buck out there. I'm gonna have it linked in the description if you guys are interested. But this is just the perfect one for me. It feels amazing in the hand. It got a little weight to it that makes it feel quite luxurious, and it's just super accurate and sharp and everything you would ever ask for in a trimmer. So highly recommended. So I start out by going over the whole beard with a 9mm attachment on. This will make all the hairs even and create like the base of the beard. Let go. Alright, so now you got the whole beard 9mm. Next up, you want to draw a line from the corner of your mouth to your sideburns and trim everything above to 6mm. Here it's very important that you do not touch the mustache. Only from the corner of your mouth to your sideburns. So I have attached a 6mm attachment here, and I'm gonna go everything above that line now. Alright, so after doing the cheeks, I like to do the actual sideburns a little shorter, 3mm to be exact, so that's what I'm gonna do now. Alright, so now we got the actual length of the beard, how we want it to be. So step 2 is to clean up the neck. I actually just prefer to use the trimmer here because it's quick, easy, convenient, and it will prevent me from getting any type of skin irritation compared to when I use a normal razor. So the trimmer is the way to go for me. Alright, so we are done cleaning up the neck, and it is now time to do or correct your neckline. So what you want to do is you want to take your hand and feel on your neck right where, like right above your Adam's apple, where your neck kind of meets the bottom of your beard. And that is the spot where your beard line should be, basically, right? So right where your neck meets the bottom of your beard, here you'll start. And then you want to draw like a straight line all the way to the corner of your face, basically. So just like that. Last but certainly not least is the mustache part. And what I like to do is just to you know, take the corner of the trimmer to the corner of your mouth and just cut in all the way up to the lips. You don't want no hair touching your lips or nothing like that, so just go straight above the lips in towards the hair. Right, and also you want to do just above the mustache hair, so cause well, you don't want no hair running up your nose or nothing, so just go right above the mustache. Right, so there you have it. In my current opinion, the absolute perfect beard. You're welcome. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to gently press that cute little like button. Also subscribe and hit the notification bell. It really would shoot my dopamine way up. And also we hit the first goal of 50 subs. Next up, 100. Thank you, you're amazing.